How to short crypto on Bingx. Alright, crypto fans, today we're going to dive deep into the thrilling world of short-selling cryptocurrencies on Bingx. Get ready to learn an exciting trading strategy that can potentially help you profit even when the market is bearish. But first, let's start with a little clickbait. Did you know that successful short sellers on Bingx can earn up to 100% annual percentage yield AP on their profits? That's right, folks, we're talking about the potential for some serious gains here. Before we get into the nitty-gritty of shorting crypto on Bingx, let's quickly go over what short selling is. Short selling is a trading strategy where you essentially borrow an asset, in this case, a cryptocurrency, and sell it at the current market price with the expectation that its value will drop. If your prediction is correct, you can then buy back the asset at a lower price, return the borrowed asset, and pocket the difference as profit. It's a way to potentially make money when the market is trending downwards. Now, let's talk about how to short crypto on Bingx. Bingx offers a user-friendly platform that makes short-selling cryptocurrencies a breeze. Here's a step-by-step guide. 1. Open a Bingx account. If you haven't already, you'll need to sign up for a Bingx account. Don't forget to use the referral code 911 during registration to get some awesome perks. 2. Fund your account. Once your account is set up, you'll need to deposit funds. Bingx supports a variety of cryptocurrencies, so you can fund your account with a digital asset of your choice. 3. Navigate to the trading platform. On the Bingx platform, you'll find a section dedicated to margin trading, which is where you'll be able to short cryptocurrencies. 4. Choose your asset. Bingx offers a wide range of cryptocurrencies for margin trading, including popular ones like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and many others. 5. Set your parameters. Before executing your short trade, you'll need to specify a few parameters, such as the amount you want to borrow, your leverage, which can amplify your potential profits or losses, and your entry and exit prices. 6. Open your short position. Once you've set your parameters, you can open your short position. Bingx will essentially borrow the cryptocurrency you're shorting on your behalf and sell it at the current market price. 7. Monitor your trade. As the market moves, you'll need to keep a close eye on your short position. If the asset's price drops, you'll be in profit. If it rises, you'll be in loss. 8. Close your position. When you're ready to exit your trade, you can close your short position. Bingx will automatically buy back the borrowed asset at the current market price and return it to the lender. If the price is lower than your initial entry price, you'll pocket the difference as profit. Now, it's important to note that while short selling can be a powerful tool, it also carries significant risks. Leverage trading can amplify both your potential profits and losses, so it's crucial to manage your risk carefully. Bingx offers various risk management tools, such as stop-loss orders, to help mitigate potential losses. One of the great things about shorting crypto on Bingx is the platform's transparency and security. Bingx uses advanced encryption and secure storage methods to protect your funds and personal information. The platform is fully compliant with relevant regulations, ensuring a safe and trustworthy trading environment. So, there you have it, folks, a comprehensive guide to short-selling cryptocurrencies on Bingx. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just starting, Bingx's user-friendly platform and powerful trading tools make it an excellent choice for those looking to profit from market downturns. Remember, successful trading requires discipline, knowledge, and effective risk management. Always do your research, start small, and never risk more than you can afford to lose. If you found this video informative, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay updated with more exciting crypto content. And if you're ready to start your short-selling journey on Bingx, use the referral code 911 during registration to unlock exclusive bonuses and rewards. Happy trading, and may the crypto markets be ever